class2A. Good health is perfect harmony of body and mind. We are the students of second day giving information. We are the students of second day giving information of healthy food. I am hungry. Mama is not there at home. Let's see what is there to eat. Wow, there is pizza, chocolate, chips, ice cream, and also fruit, vegetable, milk, and sprouts. Mama says not to eat junk food, but I love to do. Eat healthy food. What? What? Healthy food? Eat me, I am fruit. You get energy from it. Oh, don't eat that boring food. Try junk food. Eat me, I am pizza with extra cheese. Think me, I am egg balls and muscle strong. Eat me, I am chips. If you eat one, you cannot stop. Eat me, I am a vegetable. I will give you vitamins and make you fit. Eat me, I am chocolate. I am sweet. Eat me, I am nut. I am good for skin and eyes. Eat me, I am ice cream, I am chill. Oh, I am confused. Who is your leader? I am a healthy food. If you eat me, you will not fall sick and I will make you very strong. Who is your leader? I am junk food. I am processed and very tasty. Once you eat me, you will love more. Oh, what to do? I will give them a challenge. Who will win?